Hello everyone, filter by number in Excel. So let's start this in Excel, and here you can see I have data. First apply the filter on this data. So I simply select the heading and press the shortcut key Shift Control L to apply the filter. Okay, now I just filter by number. So I just click on the unit price drop down arrow to filter by number. So number, click on the number filter, and you can see here the different types of option here available to filter. So I just click on the equals options, and here the customize auto filter dialog box is open. Show rows where the unit price as I select it, and you can change here the other filters also. Just click on this drop down arrow and same option here showing. Okay. So click on this drop down arrow and you can select here the amount those you want to filter as equal. Okay, select this one, and if you want to select the and or, you can add here also. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can select here. I just click on OK, and you can see only 825.10 is amount filter. Okay, again I click on the filter, click on the number of filters. Now I select the top 10, and here the small dialog box is open. Top 10 auto filter. Okay, you can edit here the top 9, 10, and you can manually enter also. Okay, so I just enter 10 and click on OK. That's it. The top 10 amount is filtered from unit price column. Okay, so this is the way you can use the different type of number filter. Okay, in Excel, same as I click on this total price filter and click on the number filter. Okay, now I select the greater than. Okay, is greater than. Let's just click on this drop down arrow. Is greater than 917 and click on OK. So it's showing the 9 month greater than 917 is all amount is filtered. Okay, if you want to clear the filter, the particular one column, you can it. So I just clear the filter unit price column. I just click on this drop down arrow and here have an option clear filter from unit price. I just click on it and you can see here the filter is removed. But in total price, the filter is showing apply. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.